for me, it's really nice.
I love these products.
I felt the passion and trust behind every product.
I'm excited to introduce Atomy.
It's more than just a product.
Well, the atmosphere is very lively, very buzzing. We're all enjoying the skincare products. I love the skincare products and the emo him. And what I like to see, just more people come out and enjoy the Atomy products.
It was a great turnout. Everyone showed up to support our event. And then I'm sorry for the people that didn't show up today because we were giving out a lot of goodies. And then also people were getting a lot of knowledge on the products. Hopefully we can see you next time. Bye bye.